I'm Bree, and this is
Emma.
And welcome to Guess That Cephalopod.
Today on Guess That Cephalopod, we will give a brief overview of the cephalopod class and make sure to guess that cephalopod.
To start out, the cephalopods, also known as cephalopoda, belong to the animal kingdom in the mollusca phylum.
Examples of some organisms found in the cephalopoda class and mollusca phylum are octopus, squid, cuttlefish, and ammonites.
Cephalopods' type of locomotion consists of jet propulsion, crawling, or swimming. Jet propulsion is where a cephalopod will fill its muscular mantle cavity with water and then quickly expel the water out of the siphon. Squids typically do this.
A cephalopod's digestive gland is a primary organ that secretes digestive enzymes and is important in absorption and excretion. Also, cephalopods reproduce only once and die after their external fertilization. Internal fertilization is only seen in octopods. Lastly, their nervous system of cephalopods is the most complex of the invertebrates because they have a brain and feel pain.
Cephalopods are important because they provide food for humans, like squid and octopus. Their shells and bones are also used frequently.
Other interesting things about them are that they are considered the most intelligent invertebrates and they are older than dinosaurs. Now let's go play the game. The game Guess That Cephalopod will start by reading a bunch of interesting facts about the certain cephalopod, and then they will be able to interject and guess in between. So here are the rules. Rule number 1, contestant gets 2 tries to guess.
2, a contestant may interject at any time.
Rule number 3, have fun! Contestant number 1, are you ready to guess that cephalopod?
Yeah.
Okay, to start out, the full taxonomy of this cephalopod is Animalia, Mollusca, Cephalopoda, Cepidae, Sepia, Officinalis. The type of locomotion that this cephalopod uses is jet propulsion.
What is that?
I think it's time for you to Google it. Anyways, now onto the digestive system. The beak crushes the food, then it goes through the esophagus to the anus, and finally it goes into the mantle cavity. Any questions?
No.
The reproductive system is where the males have a modified tentacle to insert genes into the female's buccal area. The type of reproductive system is external. The males then use camouflage to make themselves look like females so they can get close enough to inject their sperm into the females.
Is this a vampire squid?
It is not. Good guess though. Now to the nervous system. The nervous system is the most complex nervous system among the invertebrates with highly developed neural organs that allow them to learn and remember. This cephalopod's importance to the environment is because it is important to marine food chains by preying upon small mollusks, fish, shrimp, and crabs. And an interesting fact is that it is a popular food in many countries such as Japan and India because it is more tender than squid and octopus.
Is this a cuttlefish?
You guessed it!
Yeah! Contestant number 2, are you ready to guess that cephalopod?
Heck yeah!
Alright, we'll start with the scientific name, which is Decapodiformis. Full taxonomy is Animalia, Mollusca, Cephalopoda, Tithai, Lognae, Loligobrupina. The locomotion, they use jet propulsion to get around. The digestive system, the main digestive organ is a beak.
What is a beak?
You'll have to look that up, sorry. They sexually reproduce, and males have a special arm to transfer packets of sperm to where the eggs are located. Any questions so far?
Is this an octopus?
Nope, sorry, good guess though. The nervous system contains one giant axon that could be up to 1 millimeter in length. The importance is animals depend on them for food. An interesting fact is that the females are bigger than the males.
I know what it is. It's a squid.
Good job, you got it.
Here are 2 examples of a cephalopod. This is a squid.
And this is a cuttlefish.
That's all for this week's episode.
Thanks for watching.